In this demonstration, we will show how to enable a default policy to detect privilege elevation requests by applications unhandled by EPM policies. To begin, locate and expand policies from the left navigation menu, then select Default Policies. Locate the Privilege Management section under the Commonly Used tab. Locate Detect Privileged Unhandled Applications, then click the On button. A notification box appears. If additional policy settings are required, select the Edit Policy Settings button. This demonstration will use the default settings. Click Yes to continue. Congratulations! You have successfully enabled EPM to detect unhandled privilege elevation requests for applications. For more information, refer to our online resources.